Good morning everyone and welcome to today's video. Something unexpected happened. Well, I'm making cookies and it's 8:30 in the morning and we are getting a new fridge and our breakfast nook came in. So I'm going to film that for you guys today. Completely unexpected. The last time we seen the tracking for the nook, it was in Paris. So we're happy to have it today. We're going to put it all together. We're going to get the new fridge and I have to take the cookies out of the oven before they burn. Ooh, these look so good. Alright, so here is how they turned out with the little chocolate chips in them. I thought I would just add some chocolate chips just to add something. I decided to make cookies because I thought, okay, we have a busy day ahead of us. We have a fridge coming and we have a nook to put together. So I thought I would just make some cookies to snack on. Turns out we ran into a problem. There is no hardware with the table. So now we can't even put it together because there's no hardware, which is rather annoying. So Owen's on the phone with them trying to figure out about the hardware situation. We waited for this and then it was so exciting that it came in because it would kind of complete our dining room and it's just not working. So I'm gonna hear what he says and I'll check back with you in a little bit. The weird thing is we woke up to this morning, like snow, which is like weird. Those are Scarlett's paw prints, but we woke up to snow. I really love Christmas, but I'm done with the snow. So anyway, the update with the table is there is a second box coming for the hardware. So we're just waiting on the box. If the box doesn't show up, they have no problem refunding us. So anyway, we're waiting on the second box and we're also waiting on our fridge. So it is now 9 o'clock. I think I'm going to just go and get ready, kind of fix my hair, do some of my makeup as we wait for the fridge and possibly the hardware to come in for the nook. I'm really hoping it comes in today because I just want it to come in. Thankfully we have it to sit down, but this is what it's looking like. It's nice and white and these are gray and I'm really excited. And this is what it's supposed to look like, so I'm very, very excited. And then eventually I want to get a nice roll away island and I want to either tuck it right here or put it there depending how wide the nook is. I've got plans, but this nook needs to happen. So waiting on the hardware, so I think I'm going to go and just kind of freshen up a little more. I mean, I washed my face, I did all my skincare, I brushed my hair, but I think I'm just gonna go and maybe put some makeup on and, you know, wait. Okay guys, well apparently our fridge is here. I was downstairs just like watching YouTube and like getting ready and our fridge is here. So we're gonna put the fridge in, I guess. Okay, so we're finally saying goodbye to this fridge and now I need to empty it. Do you want to empty it with me? Do you want to empty the fridge? All right, our fridge is in. So here's our new fridge. We got a black stainless steel. It is from Samsung. Here is the freezer. Ooh. And then in here is the fridge. It is so nice. I can't wait to use it. I have to put all of our food back in the fridge and the freezer. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I tried not to buy too much food because I didn't want anything to go bad in the mix, and it was really hard to store food in our other fridge. It looks pretty empty, but I mean, we're pretty set. I put our fruit and veggies right there. So there's the freezer. And then here is the fridge, which I am loving. So I love this compartment because it's a lot higher. So I can put our milk right here, and I can put like a bottle of wine or sangria in here if I want. And then I have everything else like lined up right here. I've got to do some more groceries, but I moved all the fruit to one. I've got like the vegetable one right there. I can put this right here. There we go. All right. So I mean, it's pretty bare right now. I've got to do some groceries now that I have a fridge. Honestly, guys, the other fridge we had, we could store nothing. The shelving was not good. So there was no room to store anything at all in there. So we just like upgraded and got a different fridge. Right now my dilemma is trying to figure out, I know, such a dilemma. What's your dilemma? What's your problem? No, you're not getting any treats. Right now, I'm trying to figure out how to fit this in there. So we may need to adjust the like shelving so that my Brita can fit, because I really love my Brita, but it's not fitting. So anyway, I'm gonna charge my battery and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. Can you whisper? Oh, wow. So I'm able to put my Brita filter like on the bottom here. I will probably move this shelf up. This way it gives it a little bit more room, but right now I just have like cooked rice there. A little update on the Nook. Owen actually found out that the box won't be here till next week. So that just means that the Nook won't be up till next week, which is kind of okay because this is my living room at the moment. Ugh. So I still have the big box to put outside, but for right now, I have the old drawers from our other fridge. I've got the Nook. I've got the old fridge here. There's Scarlett. So this is kind of our living room at the moment. So it's kind of good that the Nook won't be up till next week, because we would have to move the table, the fridge, we'd need to move the box and everything. Even our like vacuum is not in its right place. Scarlett's food is over there. So everything is kind of just everywhere at the moment. I really didn't think that it would be this much to like move out the fridge, but I guess it is quite a bit. So at least this way, Scarlett, she just farted. At least this way, the fridge is in, the old fridge will get out, and all the garbage and recycle can go. And then by the time the other box with the actual hardware comes in, then we'll have room to set up the actual Nook and then get rid of the table. So at least it's not too much at once, because I think it would have been quite a bit. But anyway, yeah, so that's our new fridge. That's what I vlogged for today. I just wanted to show you guys the new fridge because I did mention in my house tour video that I was getting a new fridge, so I wanted to show you the new fridge. And I was excited to put the Nook up, but the Nook's not here, so that'll be another video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, for example, when we get our sectional, or when I redo my vanity, or things like that, let me know in the comments down below, because they're just really fun to film and I enjoy filming them, and I want to know if you guys enjoy watching them. I honestly didn't even finish my makeup. I didn't put any bronzer or blush on. My lip tint wore off. Yeah, but anyway, that's gonna be it for today. So you guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. I wanted to keep it basic, simple, and fun, and I'm really excited for the new fridge. So I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!